What's up, guys? Welcome back. Sorry I look so messy. I literally just woke up, but the exhaust came in today and I wanted you guys to be the first ones to see it with me. Jamie's at work, so he's not going to be able to see the reveal, but for you guys, y'all are going to get the first look. So let's go ahead and get started. I've been waiting for these for a while, so I've been planning this for a while because, you know, as I told you in the previous videos, I wanted to start looking at more performance than visuals, cosmetics, because, you know, I want this thing to be fast. So let's go ahead and get into it and look at it for ourselves. I think they're pretty beautiful from what I saw on American Muscle, but let's see what you guys think. Alright, so the first thing I got are these boxes. I don't know exactly what's in them, but we're about to find out. Where did I do it? Okay, there it is. I think these might be adapters, but honestly, oh, I think this might actually be, yeah, the tips. Huh. Let's see, is there a, yeah. Ooh. Sorry, the camera went astray. I can't multitask. Oh, look at that.
What is that?
RP, shiny as fuck. What do you think? Think they look pretty good? I do. Well, that's one thing. Is there other stuff? Yeah, there's other stuff. Warranty. Another tip. Clamps. Not bad. And you got, to be honest with you guys, actually, I don't know if I said this already because, you know, memory loss, but the tips are actually, well, sorry, the exhaust itself is actually very light. I was not expecting it at all. But as you can see, if I can get it out the daggum wrapping. These are axle backs. Muffler delete axle backs, to be exact. But they're pretty cool. I'm gonna take some time to assemble these, and for that, I'm going to need my phone. So I'll get back to you guys. Well, update. So the company that designed this fucking exhaust figured it would be the greatest idea to make the fucking Allen key needed as thick as the fucking planet. So I'm gonna have to go to Walmart, buy a fucking Allen key as thick as the daggum planet, and then have to get back to the video. So you already know how annoying this is gonna be.
Sync has connected to your phone.
Too thick.
That's what she said.
That's fucking sexy. Well, that's the case.
Saving the day again.
Huh?
No, I'm just telling everybody how I saved the day once again. That's all I'm saying.
Hey,
Gotta
man.
come home. I just got off work. Come back here, do some more work.
Tried and failed, but that's just part of learning.
Jeez. Got on the shirt.
Now I have a legitimate exhaust.
Yep, it looks a lot better.
A lot better.
This was our makeshift. How you already showed them the makeshift exhaust that we made?
No.
No, this is the exhaust we made going to, where did we go? AutoZone?
Yeah, we went to AutoZone.
AutoZone, O'Reilly's. Just a bunch of pipes just put together. I mean, it sounds good for the meantime, but now we finally got some perfect fitment for the exhaust. It looks really good.
Maybe now we can.
Set down view. It's even about on both sides. That's pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Gonna give her a start.
Yes, sir. Give me 1 second.
These hands. Look at these hands. These are hard working man hands.
Manly hand.
I got calluses. My callus has a callus. How about that?
Fuck out of here.
Let's look at your hands.
What'd you say?
So what your hands look like?
All dirty and shit.
What's the back of your hands look like? Look at busting his knuckles. Didn't know what the hell he was doing. He was over there punching the car, goddamn.
Work!
All right.
Moment of truth.
I bet it sounds the same.
I bet it does.
Yeah, that, because before when we had that on, I mean, it didn't really hit you. But I felt that like hit my chest.
I could feel it too.
I felt it in my chest. I was behind the car.
Say with your chest.
On the inside of these tips, they do have like a little, like some little holes that kind of catch the sound, I guess you can say.
Yeah.
And it muffles it in a way because it is thick
It is
and
thicker.
and the air flows right through here.
Yeah.
So I'm guessing without that, it's different.
Well,
You gonna feel it now.
I'm gonna feel it.
You wanna feel that close?
It's gonna push me back.
Maybe.
Oh shit!
Ready?
Yep.
Here we go.
Okay. I felt it. Yeah.
That's all I'm talking about. I can't tell if it's different or not. But
I can tell. I can tell because I drive it every day.
yeah.
I can hear it. I can hear the difference.
Oh, it sticks out. I didn't know.
Yeah, it sticks out. Look at that. That's the brand. MBRP. What does that stand for? I have no idea. But I think it adds a nice little addition.
All right, guys. 20 seconds later, got our hands clean. And now we're finna go on a little test drive. This guy done got some AirPods.
Hey man, pretty nice. I like them. All right.
Safety first. All right, gonna give it a rip. I don't know. It's
Now the pops and stuff, the pops are
the same.
the same.
They're definitely the same.
Yeah. So it definitely helps with performance. Just
Watch out for the little duckies.
Yeah. No, it's fine. They're going back. That's right, bitch.
Oh.
Thing is, move back, bitch.
It's like they knew it was a Mustang or something. It's right off the road.
Good.
Really remember how the last one went.
Okay, so let me explain. So I definitely saw a difference.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so when we were getting up in the very high RPMs,
Mm-hmm.
that big, just like, if you were in the car, you'll feel like the pressure coming from the exhaust pushing the car forward a little bit, and it just, you could feel it exit the fucking exhaust tips.
Yeah.
Like, I can't really explain it,
Yeah.
but there's, and that pop and at the end, where at the high RPMs, it wasn't there before. It's definitely something new. So it definitely did have a, even though it's just the exhaust and we don't have like an intake on it yet, definite performance increase.
Yeah.
I mean, I might sound stupid because, you know, I'm still like new to like building cars and stuff, but from having that exhaust, having the stock Bortle exhaust that I had on, compared to this, is definitely a difference. Definitely a difference. So,
I don't know. Let us know what you think. Does it sound different? Yes or no? To me, it kind of sounds the same, but when he's revving it like he was, it seems like a louder pitch. So, you know, just let us know what you think in the comments. That he would definitely know more because he drives his car.
I think there's a difference. It may not be huge,
Yeah.
but it's definitely a difference performance-wise. We didn't catch this on camera, but I kind of explained it a little bit better. So, like, what I was saying was, okay, so I don't know if you could actually see inside of the exhaust, but on the inside, there's like holes.
Yeah.
And those holes, what I'm guessing is that whenever I'd speed up, my car would lag, and so I feel like the pressure coming from the flow through the exhaust was getting into those holes and then creating back pressure. So that was creating a lag whenever I was speeding up. But this exhaust doesn't have that. It's just like a straight, no holes, no nothing.
Yeah.
So when I'm speeding up, I'm not getting a lag. And just like I said, when we're at very high RPMs, it's different. So like that pop that you can feel come out the damn car is definitely new because it wasn't there before.
Yeah.
So those are the differences that I'm seeing, what I'm feeling and stuff. So I don't know. I don't know if it's louder though. It might be, but I'm not 100% sure. That's mostly dependent on what he thinks. I think it's different.
I think it's the same.
You think it's the same?
I think it's the same.
That's disrespectful.
It's not disrespectful. I mean, it's the same, but I understand what you're saying, and that makes sense. But as far as like sound, same. To me, it's the same.
I don't think it can get really any different at this point.
Oh, you're different. You get rid of these damn cats.
Well, I'm talking about like because we're supposed to have cats right now. So like I'm talking about like if I bought a different exhaust, like the Roush Extremes, like we saw on video, those sounded the almost practically the exact same.
Yeah.
So I think that no matter what exhaust I put on this car, it's going to sound the same. Now,
No.
from what I saw,
you talking about far as like axle back? Yeah.
yes. For as far as axleback, yes.
Yeah.
But if we're talking about putting on an like
Off-road X pipe.
Yeah.
H pipe.
that's what I was about to say. If we're talking about like an X pipe or H pipe, then there's definitely going to be a sound difference. But for now, if it's just straight exhaust tips and the pipes that's connected to it, no, there's not going to be a difference in sound. So if that was the case, that shit would have changed.
Yeah.
Because these are actually pretty. What I saw on American Muscle, these are pretty hot exhausts right now. They're cheaper, sound the exact same as a Roush Axleback. Fucking, obviously I had a performance increase. But then again, I was using fucking AutoZone exhaust tips, so
Yeah.
you know, and AutoZone pipes. So it's definitely a change for me that I can feel. So. All right, guys. Like he said, let us know what you think, and then I think after this we're just gonna get some food, and then I got an exam coming up this week, so I gotta study. So thanks for being with us. Let us know what you think down in the comments below or on Facebook. It's gonna be posted on same places eventually anyways, so just let us know, and thanks for being with us. Catch you later.